In this video, we're going to show you how to access the inner taillight to change the bulbs that are in it. Open your tailgate. Once you lift your hatch up, there's an access door to the inner light. You're going to grab a little screwdriver or a body trim tool, just pull down on it. And there are the two bulbs and access. So we're going to change the bottom one first. And all I'm going to do is grab onto that socket and turn it counterclockwise. You'll hear it unlatch and pull it out. That's a 194 bulb. And I'm going to grab the bulb, get it firmly, and just give it a pull. Then I'm going to get the new bulb, line it up, make sure it's seated all the way in, and then I'm going to put it back in. There's 4 little connectors. Feel that it seats itself. Once it does, I'm going to turn it clockwise till it locks. I'm going to repeat that process for this top bulb. There's a rubber bushing, or a little, kind of like a damper here. Let's pull this down so maybe we can see a little better. I'm going to disconnect the electrical connector on this one. That way I can see it. Same with this socket. I'm going to grab it, pull it, turn it counterclockwise until it comes out. Now I can grab that bulb, give it a twist, pull it out. This is the socket. Grab the new bulb, line it up, let it click in. Make sure you hear that. And then line these 2 tabs up. Bring it right up into the taillight. Feel it seat itself, then turn it clockwise until it locks. And we're going to grab our electrical connector, plug it back in. And I'm going to put this little protector back over it. Now we can grab our door, line the door up. You'll see it's got a tab on the top, but you want to slide that in first, then guide the sides in, push it. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.